Hey guys, Corell Cooper here with OnTheBlack.com with a little quick Q&A. Got a question here from Tommy Two Chips, and he has a two-part question. The first question is, what can the Mets really do to turn the season around? And then the second question is, what are the chances the Mets catching the Phillies considering that they choke in September? So let's look at the first question. What can the Mets do to turn their season around? They've got to play, consistent baseball. And I'm really not thinking that it's sort of along the lines of turning the season around because, at this point they're only a few games out of first place, and considering all the injuries they've had and the inconsistent play, they're not really in that bad of a spot right now if you think about it. But, I understand the question, and it's simple to me. Play good, consistent baseball, and they haven't really done that for a period, for a long stretch this year. They've been sort of up and down. They'll win a series, and then they'll go on the road, and they'll get beat in another series, and they'll look like a totally different team. Santana will come out and give you a great start one day, and then Pelfrey or Maine will come out the next day and get totally bombed out there. So, and then on the offensive side, they'll score 8 runs one game, and then the next game they won't hit with runners in scoring position. So it's really playing, good, solid, hard, consistent baseball that I think will really sort of help them get on a nice little roll, and they've yet to do that. Hopefully, they can start to do that in the near future. Now, your second question: what are the chances the Mets catch the Phillies considering they choke in September? I think that the chances of the Mets catching the Phillies are pretty good. I mean, they're only a few games out right now. Regardless of the injuries, regardless of being behind right now, I still think that the Mets are a better team than Philly. I give Philly all the respect and credit in the world. They play hard, they hustle, they never quit, they come back late in games, and they're the world champions right now. But last week the Mets could have easily won 2 out of 3 or swept the Phillies if a couple plays broke their way. So I think that the Mets have a good chance to still win this division this year. In terms of September, they just, like I said in my first point, they've got to play good, consistent baseball throughout the whole season, from start to finish. They got to play hard baseball. And, another thing, it's not only about sort of beating the Phillies head-to-head. The Mets can't go down to Pittsburgh and get swept like they did. They can't lose 2 out of 3 to, San Diego or to Washington. They've got to beat the teams that they're supposed to beat. And, if they can do that and play good, consistent baseball, I think that they'll be okay this year. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you soon.